Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Ads API using developer tokens step by step clearly. To authorize Google Ads API using developer tokens, begin by creating a Google Cloud project. Log in to your Google Cloud console. Click on Select a project at the top of the page. In the drop-down, click on New Project. Enter a name for your project and click Create. With your project created, click on Library in the sidebar menu. In the search bar, type Google Ads API and select it from the results. Click the Enable button to activate the Google Ads API for your project. Next, go to Credentials in the sidebar. Click on the Create Credentials button. Select OAuth Client ID from the options available. If prompted, configure the consent screen by providing the necessary details. Choose an application type that matches your needs. For most cases, web application is a suitable choice. Provide a name for your OAuth 2.0 client. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, add the URI where users will be redirected after authorization. Click Create to generate your credentials. Take note of the client ID and client secret displayed. Now, navigate to the Google Ads API Developer Tokens page. Fill out the necessary information to apply for a developer token. Be sure to specify your Google Ads Manager account ID. Submit the application and await approval for your developer token. Once approved, return to your Google Cloud console. In the Credentials section, ensure your OAuth 2.0 client credentials are properly configured. With your developer token and OAuth credentials ready, implement the Google Ads API client library in your project. Follow the library's documentation for language-specific instructions. When you are ready to make API calls, authenticate using the OAuth 2.0 flow. Test your authorization by running a sample request from the client library. Ensure that you have the necessary scopes defined for the API calls you wish to make. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.